Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the note and the surface. Clean with rubbing alcohol so oils and dust are gone, because stickiness fails on contaminants. Once done, warm the adhesive by rubbing the sticky edge between your fingers for 10 to 20 seconds to reactivate the glue. This increases tack. Next, align the top edge where you want it. Press the top first, then smooth the rest down firmly with your thumb to set contact and eliminate air gaps. You now reinforce the bond for lasting hold. If the edge still peels, apply a tiny strip of clear tape across the top corners. This converts a temporary note to semi-permanent without altering the note's face. Also, press the whole note for 30 to 45 seconds to maximize contact between adhesive and surface. Sustained pressure helps the glue flow into microscopic pores. Make sure to avoid humid or steamy areas, because moisture. To finish, test the attachment. Wait about 5 minutes, then tug gently at the bottom to confirm the bond. You want a small resistance, not immediate peel. If the note still won't stick, swap to removable glue dots or a small piece of reusable poster putty which holds better on textured or painted walls. If adhesive fails repeatedly, remove residue, let surface dry, and apply a fresh note. If problems persist, the troubleshooting tip: check for silicone-based paints or heavy texture. Those often repel adhesives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.